Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. I'm here this morning bringing you another one of our brand new models called the Model D56D. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with some special features that I think you're really going to enjoy. A lot of people have really liked this brand new floor plan. So I want to get right to it and give you some features and tell you a little bit more about the home. This home is built out of my Fort Worth, Texas factory. And by virtue of that construction, you get a lot of heavier feature in this home. One of the first things that you'll see on this home is that they've done an accent panel here at the front. Across the front, customers get to choose all of their exterior decor. We use a 50-year warranty exterior siding on this home, along with a 25-year warranty shingled roof. The home is done with this Louisiana Pacific siding on it. Really like that. Each of the entrances are going to have the security light outside and then the glass panels in the front door to bring in some natural light. When we step into the home, this home really has a lot of feature and a lot of presentation that is really excellent in one of these smaller homes. First thing that you'll probably notice is the taller ceilings. These are 8.5-foot tall ceilings with the AC and the heating vents overhead, so you've got freedom of furniture placement. Opens to a really nice sized front living room. And in this particular home, the carpets have been taken out and replaced with this plank version, or a plank style look in the linoleum. Really easy care floors to work with. The stainless steel appliance package is standard in this home. Includes that stainless steel farm sink. And even though this is a little bit smaller house, you've got a lot of cabinet space and storage space, particularly here in what I call kind of that butler area right next to the dedicated dining area. Plenty of wall sockets. Another nice feature are the drawer over door cabinets. So you've got drawers all the way around the kitchen. Every place you've got a base cabinet, you've got overhead drawers, which is really nice. A super clean look in this home is something that I really do like. Here in the living room, that ceiling light is actually a dual purpose. It's also wired and braced for ceiling fan. Here in the front of the home, there's a full-size tub shower guest bathroom. It's got the single-piece fiberglass tub shower combination, the elongated commodes, and the porcelain sinks. And then we've added a 2-door linen cabinet for storage here in the front bathroom. The crown moldings and baseboards in this home are a theme that goes all the way through. They are in the bedrooms, inside the closets, inside the bathrooms. Again, another really nice feature. Good windows here. These are the dual thermal pane, low E windows in this home. And they tilt in so that you can clean them very easily without having to remove the window screens that are on the home. Now, when you come back through this house, another feature that I really like are the cabinets that are put into them. These are a brand new cabinet color, kind of a light gray, and they are done with a wood cabinet door. So this is an all wood door, the European style hinges. The shelves are included, wood cabinets for your face plates and the stiles. And these are pretty thick stiles in here, so you've got a really good cabinet box that you're working with on these cabinets. You'll also notice they've done a ceramic tile backsplash. And that backsplash goes all the way up behind the range, so it's easy to clean. And then your microwave is vented all the way to the exterior of the home through this finished box that goes up, and that's where your vent stack goes for the microwave that functions as a vent-a-hood. The stainless steel farm sink has been super popular with that spring faucet. And then underneath the sinks, you can see the water lines are all color-coded and have shut-off valves back here, so you can work on the appliance if you need to, or work on the fixture if you need to. When you come back through, this is something I really like about this home, is you've got a door that closes off the back side of the house. So your utility area can be closed off from the rest of the living area. It's done with a full-size washer and dryer space, the overhead cabinets for your soap and laundry supply storage, and then it's got a really nice primary bathroom, again with a china sink, the elongated commode, and a large 60-inch single-piece fiberglass shower that has the seats in it. And I really like this window they've added over the top that brings more light into that bathroom. Here you'll see right behind the door, they've got the linen shelves for towels and that sort of stuff. And then the primary bedroom is a good sized bedroom, easily accommodate queen, king size bed. Got the good windows with the 2-inch mini blinds are standard. And I'll just show you this, the light switch is split. So you've got one half operates for the ceiling light, the other half will operate your ceiling fan. So it's really well thought out. Plenty of outlets, so you've got outlets on every wall as you go around. And then the closet is done with a double door feature that gives you a lot of access into your closet area. Wood rods and wood shelves are standard in this home. And it's just got a lot of extra little features that make it super, super nice. If you'd like more information on this home, the model number is D56D. We'd be happy to share information with you. You can give us a call at 325-480-0035 or stop by and see us at the Oak Creek Home Center here in Abilene. We're located North Clack. Be happy to have you come down, take a tour of this home and several of the others that we've got available. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. Thanks for giving us a look. Bye.